Habs, y'all saw Buffalo put it away, right? Y'all saw that, right? Y'all got to do the same. Tampa Bay Lightning is such a good, pesky team. We all know that they good, man. Center, wing. We know already. We don't gotta name players. It's right here. Habs is right here. You gotta go take this. You gotta get on the attack early, man. You gotta get to work early. Don't let Hagel and Grinsu. Oh, they have such a good team, bro. Slav. Cough, of course. Nothing there. Caulfield. That's high. Yes, sir. 101 points is tough. Nothing there. Hmm? Watch parties all over the city. Here's Darren Radish with a block. No. Dobis is like, no. He saw his head. He was like, oh, it hit the mask. That's what happened. That's why he was racking his head like that. Dobis, don't go out there and get that. Somebody got to scream on the ice. This is going to be the easiest goal. I don't even want to look at it, bro. Don't go. You got 3 people back there already. You don't got to come out and get it. Oh, man, he said, oh, what happened? He didn't get that. He missed it? He couldn't get, wow. Damn, that's supposed to be a goal. Cole, that's a goal off the turnover. Damn it. Hagelin. Yeah, Hagel started it. Cooch is live. Oh. Point. Nothing there. There we go. Pass it off the wall. Oh, my. Stick is gone. Throw my boy a stick, man. It looked like we're about to get a change, too. Damn, right off the pipe, man. I got a feeling it's going to come down to the last second. Try to wrap around on those, man. Stop. You got to stop. Ooh. What is that? Every time they get it over the red line, they dump it in and change. That way they can't sustain offense themselves. Our last whistle was at 17:22. Nope. And Hagel is stopped by nope. Game tonight, execution. What can they bring to the table? I'm focused on this. Slap, I need you to hit somebody back. The way they've been knocking you around the series. I need you to lay somebody down, boy. Yeah, that's hot. Sexier. Oh. Nope. Nice. Dobis with the slide back. That was smooth. You saw Dobis moving. He was like, shh. He did the moonwalk out there. Big, huge save. Damn, it was this close to getting a rebound right there. New hook. Gotta get it into the middle. He's there. He's there. Damn, Vaseline. Vaseline is tough. No. Somebody get in there. Man, this is stressful to watch. There we go. High second. A wild first. Wow, because they nothing went on, but it was a lot of opportunities. Come on, crowd, get in there, boy, get in there. Go, Bish. We talk about the dynamic nature. They move around, but what happens is Tampa Bay gets stretched out and from Kucherov. All right. Nice. That's what I was gonna say. Drop it up. Oh, that was in the glove. Vaseline in the glove. I like the drop off. Yeah, Suzuki, that was nice.
I'm really impressed with Caulfield taking this shot. He did have a little bit of help coming in 1990. Yeah, he scored
Sheesh.
the regular season against
this is tough.
And his dad, his parents were in the stands. Exciting for them to see their son. So no harm from that miss.
All right, solid in. Radish, stay. Oh my God! It was spit out. This is a gold. Oh my! No, that was brilliant, brother. He saved my boy Dobish. Oh, he got him on his back. Get up. I know, they over here wrestling like they Kurt Angle, man. Get up. Get off of him. Out.
Struble pinches, collides with Bjorkstrand.
Gonzalez takes it out to center.
Young winger.
Oh shit. Nice. There we go.
7:17 to go in the second.
Oh, they about to. Yeah, it's no score. It's not surprising. This whole series has been nothing but 1-goal games. It's been insane. And I said this is going to be close. Every game was going to be close. Point. Straight out of there. All right, there we go. Man, we about to go into the third. No goals. Kucherov only got one shot. Power play, 20 seconds on it. Demi Dove. Let's put it higher, Demi Dove. Demi, come on. Vaseline is just tremendous right there, bro. Oh. Off the pad. Then he gets up and did he... Look at this. And he gets enough on the glove, too. That's insane. Yeah, it's... Whew, third. Whoever gets this goal in this period wins the game. Sadly. All right. Texier. Off the iron, bro. Let me see this. No. Peace.
The Canadiens peppering Andre Vasilevsky.
Yeah. Oh no. Dovish, I like Dovish. Oh, it's the penalty. Power play. What you rock? He's looking for it. Yeah. He tried to get it in there. He tried to squeeze it in between. Hagel's like, I wanted the deflection in front. Kucherov shot it behind him. Oh, off the post again. Grinsu. I would say Grintz. Gintz. Gintsu. Dobish, get up. This game, I'm stressed. Let me. Covered it. We in overtime, bro. Are you kidding me? This is the type of game we watching. Are you kidding me? Yep.
This is the 13th overtime game in these playoffs.
Yeah, this is insane. Oh. Picked it out. Caulfield, we gotta look for Caulfield. We gotta look for Mr. We gotta look for Mr. Clutch. Suzuki, where you at? I need Caulfield in that spot. Oh no. Nice, Dobish. Blow the whistle. Oh my. Stop. Drop. Stop, drop, and roll out here, man. The dare program. Goulding. Oh, look at it. Watch the middle. Oh my God, it's going to a game 7. Dobish, man. What was that? I don't think it was his fault. The puck came off so slow. Look at this. Oh, he couldn't get any. Dobish, you couldn't get nothing on it. You couldn't, like. Oh my God. I need to see this replay. He's jump. Oh, don't jump over the. We're going to game 7, bro. But we're going to Tampa Bay. This is insane.
Not somebody that people would have chosen. But watch this play right there. 2 players are.
I knew they was in trouble right there. When he's sitting there, right? We know the pass was going to go right in front.
Taken out of the screen, and it's Brandon Hagel, who has
Damn.
been such an integral part of this offense on this Tampa Bay Lightning team.
I'm surprised Dobish couldn't get another attempt to, like.
Is taken out of the play.
Yeah, he couldn't move. He was stuck in sand.
All that ice for Brandon Hagel to step in, and of course, Gage Gonzalez is the one who.
Tampa Bay is good, bro.
Comes in and Dobish makes this.
Yeah. Okay, it rolled. I thought the puck was flat. The puck rolled.
Save.
That's what happened. I didn't see that. That's why he couldn't do nothing to it. That's why. Because it made. That's why I was kind of moving so fast. I'm like, wait, you didn't get that? The shit rolled, bro. Look at this. It just happened to spin and roll. He couldn't do nothing about it, dog. I see our game 7. These games been wonderful. I still think the Habs are still hungry. They wanted more. But y'all got to get to it. All the opportunities, every opportunity you get, every shot you get, you got to capitalize, man. Shout out to Tampa Bay for winning.